Hey there, it's Ryan Jancool, luxury broker with Compass. Today we're at 204 Coperto in the Castellamare Mesa neighborhood. Amazing ocean views. You've got this modern contemporary design home, new construction, incredible quality, some of the coolest features that you're going to see in any kind of house. Let me take you through and show you some of the features of the home. Now I need you to look at this custom kitchen, all imported from Italy. You've got Miele appliances, you've got an integrated stove top here with burners that are set into the countertops. You've got views off the back that are extremely special. So if we're talking about special features about a house, this 1-ton door imported from Italy, it's like a vault door. Seamlessly it opens up very easily, but extremely heavy and very secure. Follow me downstairs. Not a bad ride. Amazing outdoor entertainment space as well. This backyard area has a pool that doubles as a spa, all glass tile. You've got so much privacy back here, it's pretty incredible. You've got these custom Fleetwood sliders that open up, pocket into the doors. This feature-filled home, you've got these incredible LED lights, Crestron home automation, and some more features inside here, even in the secondary bedrooms. Waterfall back area, projection screen, beautiful bathroom with frosted privacy glass.